all night, guess who was coming up with a plan?
You call that a plan?
Come on! Do I have to spell it out for you? It's snowing. Snow day means no school. No school means no test.
It's hardly snowing, Rainbow Dash.
Come on, guys! You are seriously lacking vision!
I've got 20/20 vision, and I can clearly see it's not snowing enough for school to be canceled.
Too bad it's not a snow day.
It's not a snow day yet. If we can save a sinking cruise ship and break the laws of time and space to see a concert,